To create an online laboratory submission, you must be logged in to your portal account. Select Request in the menu bar, then click Create New Request. The reference number is an optional field for the patient ID from your records system. Choose if you are submitting for one or multiple animals. These results will be reported together on a single accession. Your portal account is linked to your clinic account. You may select an existing client or enter a new one. If using an existing patient, they will be viewable in the drop-down list. Otherwise, you may enter the new patient's information. Begin typing to shortlist matching available tests. Once the test is selected, enter the type of specimen you will be submitting. You may also enter the specimen collection date and a container label. Some tests may require additional information. Please complete all required fields. You may add additional tests as needed. Once completed, review your information for accuracy and click Submit Request at the top of the page. You will be prompted to print your request submittal form to be mailed along with your specimen to the lab. At any time, you can visit the Request tab on the portal to check the status of your request or view results.